Reading for February 8th, Science of Mind, A Philosophy, a Faith, a Way of Life by Ernest Holmes. Reading from page 98, paragraph 1, through page 100, paragraph 1, using inclusive language.
Body. The universe has been called the Great Trinity or Triune Unity of Spirit, Soul, and Body. The body being the result, the effect, the objectification of spirit. Soul is the immaterial, plastic, and receptive medium. It is primordial or cosmic stuff, unmanifest form. Body is the result of spirit working through soul or law. The entire manifestation of spirit, both visible and invisible, is the body of God. There is one body of the universe. Within this one body is included all lesser bodies. Body means the entire manifestation of spirit on all planes. In my Father's house are many mansions, said Jesus. We do not, of course, see all these mansions. Science has revealed to us that many exist which we do not see, and revelation has shown that the universe is infinite. For we know in part and we prophesy in part. The word body, as used in the science of mind, means all objective manifestations of the invisible principle of life. The body is distinguished from the idea in that the body is seen while the idea is invisible. The physical universe is the body of God, the invisible principle of all life. Our physical being is the body of the unseen human. Behind the objective form of the rose is the idea that projects the rose. The body is always an effect, never a cause. Body expresses intelligence, its apparent intelligence being lent by the consciousness which permeates it. We would not say that consciousness is in the body, but rather that body is in consciousness. If one is unconscious, one has neither pain nor fear. Pain and fear are in consciousness, but consciousness so completely envelops the body that it appears to be intelligent. Perhaps the human body is an exact counterpart of an invisible body which is non-material, as we now understand matter in physical form. Physical body is evolved for the purpose of allowing consciousness to function on this plane. The body is necessary to this plane, since only through a physical body can we properly function here. When the body is no longer a fit instrument, the soul deserts it and continues to function on another plane. To say that the body is unreal is a mistake. It is real, but is an effect, not an entity. It may yet be proved that the mind completely controls the body, and that the body is but a reflection of the mind. In no way would this contradict the reality of the body, nor the experience of pain and sickness, but it might help in an understanding of these experiences. While we may affirm that the body is not a thing of itself, we cannot say that there is no body. The simplest way to think of body is to realize that it is an objective manifestation of a subjective mind and consciousness. And if we are to be well and happy, not only the body, but the mind must be peaceful and harmonious. Psychology has shown that psychical or subjective disturbances produce physical reactions in the body. If the body is to be permanently well, the soul or subjective life must be in poise, the mind peaceful and happy. It may be considered as a general rule that when the soul is poised in true spiritual realization, the body will be normal and healthy. This is the purpose of mental healing, whether it be approached from the psychological or metaphysical angle. Psychology and metaphysics are but two ends of the same thing. So, we treat the body as a legitimate effect controlled by the soul life.